The name of the book I'm going to read today is called Rain. Story by Linda Ashman and pictures by Christian Robinson. Could you make a prediction? What do you think this story is going to be about? Look at the cover. What is the little girl wearing? And what do you see down here? What is this called? Could you tell your parent? Rain. This is the introduction page. Rain. Look at this picture. Tell me what you see. Does this take place in the city or in the countryside? Look at the windows. What do you see in the windows? Tell your parents. And what is falling from the sky? Is this a sunny day? Think about it. Rain, says the grumpy old man. And look at the little boy. He says, rain. Who do you think is happy here? Tell your parents. Nasty galoshes. Look, he's putting on some special shoes. What are galoshes? They're sort of like boots, right? That you put on when it's raining. Blasted overcoat. Oh, is he happy or not? There goes my hair. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining frogs and pollywogs, says the little boy. Hippity hop. Is the little boy... What type of mood do you think the little boy has? Think about our mood meter. What color is this, the wall? What color does that say in our mood meter? Tell your parents. Good morning, sir. Hardly, dang puddle. Oh, is the man being very nice? What happened to his umbrella? Tell your parents. Good morning, young man. Ribbit, ribbit. The little boy, what is he doing in the puddle? And what is his mom wearing to go outside in the rain? Tell your parents. They're selling, this is a newsstand. Have you ever seen a newsstand? It says daily news here. Enjoy your paper, sir. Hump! More bad news, says the grumpy old man. How do you think the people feel when he talks like that? Look at their faces. Do they look happy? Do you think he's grumpy? Why? What's falling from the sky? Are you grumpy when it rains? Tell your parents. Oh, let's see here. Look at the little boy. How are you, Mr. Frog? Happy, happy, hoppy. Oh, he's hoppy, hoppy, hoppy. Look, what is this? What is this lady doing with her dog? And what about this lady? Look at everybody's faces. Could you figure out how they feel? How do they feel in the pictures? Could you tell your parents? Oh, they got to the Rain or Shine Cafe. Here goes the grumpy old man. Does he look happy? And what about the people near him? Finally, he says. I guess he took him a long time to get to the cafe in the rain. But look at the little boy. What does the little boy say? We're here! And look at Mommy's face. How does she look? And how does the little boy look? What expression do they have? Black coffee, the old man orders. Does the lady look happy at how he speaks to her? Look at that. Let's see the little boy. Cocoa and cookies, please. Look at the lady's face. What do you think she thinks about the little boy? Let's see what's happening here. Oh, how do these people look on this page? Look at them. Look at their expressions. Are they happy? Are they sad? Are they angry? Are they gloomy? Are they upset? Use one of these words and tell your parents. Let's see this page. What about the people on this page? Are they excited? Are they happy? Are they having a good time? Or are they just okay? Like in our mood meter. Tell your parents. Look at their faces. Get closer. Watch out! Sorry. Ribbit? The little boy says to the grumpy old man. Now look at how the man looked at him, so the man gave him a grumpy face. How did that make the boy's face changed? How does the boy look now? Oh, look. What happened here? The boy noticed the man forgot his hat. What do you think the little boy's going to do with that hat? What does he do? Where do you think he's going? Hey, wait! What is the little boy doing? What is he giving the old man? You! The little grumpy man says to the little boy. What does he have behind his back? What does the little boy do? Look! The little boy imitates him, and he says, you! Just like the old man. What does the old man look like now? I think he's kind of surprised. Wouldn't you be? Because he was grumpy, and the little boy just showed him what he looks like. What does the little boy do here with the man's hat? That one too, says the grumpy old man. And the little boy doesn't understand. He tells him, mine. This is my hat. The old man takes his hat and he puts it on his head. The little boy gives the man, what does he give the man? He's sharing. Ribbit! And he shares his, you're right, his cookie with the old man. How does the old man's face look now? Tell your parents. What is the old man doing here? Yum, he says. How do the people look around him now? What is the little boy doing here? He's waving goodbye. This is the old man going back home. What is the old man doing here? Welcome back, sir, says the doorman. Ribbit, says the old man as he splashes around in the puddle. The end of the story. What this story teaches us, what do you think this story teaches us? Sometimes we could feel very grumpy or angry. But when somebody's kind to us, how does that make our feelings change? Did the old man's feelings change? Tell your parents. Think about it. At the beginning of the book, the old man was very grumpy. You see him here? He's a grump. Now at the end of the book, what happens? The old man is... What would you say he is here? Sometimes all we need is for somebody to be nice to us, or that will change our mood. Remember, with our mood meter, all we have to do is change our mood. So we don't have to stay grumpy. We could be happy. I hope you liked the story. I'm happy I read it for you. Bye.